Hey everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and this video is going to be on the September 2023 Bargain Bee Box. And here is the purple organza bag that it comes in this month for September. Very pretty, so it kind of gives you an idea what the color theme is going to be a little bit, but it can still be surprising. So let's see, the Bargain Bee Box theme for September 2023 is Mountain Majesties. And the beads are basically a natural beauty of fancy jasper, which is the star this month, showing off a variety of earthy mountain hues. This gemstone varies widely in color, so every strand and focal is unique. Accents include sparkling crystals, handmade porcelain rounds, and top quality stainless steel findings. So a venture waits us all for September. And the Bargain Bee Box subscription, monthly subscription, is $20.99, which is still a great value because you get so much for your money. And you also, as a subscriber, will get a 30% off coupon, which you can use at their sister store, which is Bee Box Bargains. They have a lot of fun stuff on there. And you can also enter what you make in their monthly creations contest, which is always fun. So I think that's it. So let's get started. Usually I show you a lot of things of what I make. I'm not going to do this in this video, but I will do like what's on my beading mat video to show you what I've been making, because I am really getting prepared for, you know, the holidays, setting up my Etsy shop for that. So but let's get started with the Bargain Bee Box, the Mountain Majesties collection. So we're ready to get started. Number one is, that's a little far away. Let's see if we can get started here. That's good, I think. And that's better. So number one is a 30 mil fancy jasper donut pendant. There we go. So there's no pre-drilled hold, of course, except for that. And so this looks like a good item to do wire wrapping on. I can definitely see that on here. I have not wire wrapped yet. That's my next adventure in jewelry making. But this is really pretty. You can see the colors just popping out there. Very nice. Let's see. Give us an idea what size it is. There you go. Well, it's almost about one inch. Okay, so we have that going on. And number two. So number two is a two-piece 18 mil fancy jasper go-go donuts. Let's get these out. Very pretty. This looks a little more deep green in person. That's great, keeping with the fall colors. And number three is a 6 mil fancy jasper round beads, 15 inches. And of course we know these are going to be a bunch of fall colors. Look at those colors. This is just fabulous. So we've got some browns in there, some greens, even a little bit of opaque white there. Really pretty. Number four is 8 mil fancy jasper faceted round beads, 7 inches. And look at that. More gray fall color. So pretty. Almost looks like we have, you know, a little bit of blue in there, some bright green. Great fall bracelet, huh? You can just picture it. And what number am I on? 5? Yeah, 5. 5 is the 8mm Fancy Jasper matte round beads in 7 inches. This will add some texture for us. And of course you can see the colors in here also, which looks like some green, some gray, some light gray there. It looks white on camera, but it looks more of a gray here. So that'll add some texture there. Number 6 is Fancy Jasper Tumbled Nugget Beads, 5 inches. And combining some different shapes here. Look at that. And you can see the different colors in there. It looks like we have some plum, some nice greens. Very pretty. Number 7. Number 7 is 10mm Lava Stone Electroplated Beads Rainbow Iris, 12 pieces. So this is going to add some nice texture. Look at that. It's really pretty. Very plummy lava stone. And you can tell it's real lava stone. Very nice. And we're on number 8. 8 is 15 by 19 stainless steel laser cut mountain links. And I'll just set those down. There we go with that. We got the same on both sides. Okay, number 9. Number 9 is 27 5 by 20 milled stainless steel laser cut steel pendant. There we go. And of course you can see the laser cut mountaintops there going on. Very nice. Number 10. 4-piece 12 by 5mm round mountain charms. Here we go. And we still have that mountain theme going on, etched in there. That's the back. Come on. Doesn't want to come off my fingers. Okay, 11. 11 is a 29 by 12mm stainless steel. It's a carabiner clasp. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I have not worked with these yet. So, there you go. And screws right back in there. Of course, I've seen these around, but I have yet to actually use one. So that'll be interesting. Number 12. 12 is a 2-piece 17 by 15mm laser cut stainless steel compass charms. There we go. So I guess we're gonna know where we're going. We won't get lost, right? Right. And it's the same on both sides. Very nicely done. Looks better in person than what it looks like on what I see in my camera here, so that's good. 13 is 12.5 by 4mm stainless steel textured jewelry chain, 1 meter. Look at. This is a link chain. I just want to make sure I got it right. Okay. Just check in because it doesn't say a link. Well, it is a link chain. Very pretty. You can see the texture in there. So this is going to be interesting. This is going to make something really pretty. Ring chain. Okay, so 14 is 6-piece 12 mil glazed porcelain round beads in dark orchid. These are really pretty. Look at that. This is going to add a little bit of brightness to what we make here. It's pretty. And 15 is 8 mil glass rondelle beads, opaque purple, 11 inches. There we go. Got some light lavender going on here, which will blend in nicely with everything else. And 16 is 4 mil crystal faceted round beads, cadet blue. And that is a cadet blue. Very pretty. Just want to see what colors it picks up in here. It's going to go really nice. It's nice to see a pop of different colors in there. It's going to be really pretty. Okay, we have one more. 4 mil crystal bicone beads, green iris, 13 inches. Look at that. Very pretty. And so there you have it. Great fall colors, huh? So this is it for September 2023 Bargain Bee Box. Great fall colors. And of course we'll see what we make on their sister site when we put it up there. And I think that's it. That's it for September 2023. Oh, here's a lava stones. Let's see what that looks like. There you go. Very pretty. Well, thanks for watching. And if you're new, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bargain Bee Box has great items. You should definitely subscribe if you haven't. It's definitely worth the money. What else? You don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know I just said that. And hit the like button if you like the video, and click the little bell button if you want to get reminders on my channel. I don't post that often. I would like to, but I'm just busy with I have 5 online stores where I make jewelry and post them on there to sell them, which my next video will be what's on my beading mat, so you can see, because I made a lot of fall stuff and Halloween items coming up that you might want to make yourself for gifts. So I can't think of anything else. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.